Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Meet Studocu. It's a short form of a student's document, the ultimate platform for students and teachers alike. With millions of students shared lecture, notes, summaries and student guides from thousands of courses. So let's explore. This is the platform for Studocu. Don't worry, I'll share the link in the description. First of all, you need to sign in. I'm going to sign in with my Google account. You can write your university name also. I'm writing my university name, let's say. So I'm writing it's Gulf University. So once you select it, you can see your all relevant university documents will appear. This is really very good and very supportive. So there are three options on the top: universities, books and AI questions. I'm going to click universities. So you can see all the popular universities are listed here. So let me select one of the university. Wow, you can see so many courses of the universities has been appeared here. For example, engineering mathematics. It's all free. You can download and you can use it. Similarly, if you click on the books, so you can find your required book here. So let me search a book. So I'm searching a book, Jane Eyre, a novel. So you can see here there are a lot of notes about Jane Eyre is available. This is really very amazing. It's very specific. Normally AI will generate a random text, but it is very specific, related to a specific university, college or school, related to a specific documents or topic. Similarly, you can click on AI questions and you can discover questions by subject. There is science, business, maths, technology and so on. Teachers and students can also create a quiz according to your requirement. You can write your notes here and it will generate a very quick quiz. Similarly, you can summarize your own notes. So you can just copy paste your notes or just open any doc file and it will return into AI notes or quizzes or flashcard. I tried it multiple times and found amazing results. You can also explore universities, books and other treasure. So please explore. It's so simple and user friendly, and share your experience in the comment section. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.